How to fix the high definition audio device is missing in Windows 11. Now it's really easy to fix, so let's go and jump straight into it. The first step is you need to open up your start menu, search for Device Manager and click on this window. Now you'll need to expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers, and you should be able to find this Realtek audio device. If you can't see this, you can click on View and you can press Show Hidden Devices. You'll then need to right-click on the Realtek audio device and press Update Driver. Press Browse My Computer for drivers and press Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Now uncheck Show Compatible Hardware and then you can scroll down this list until you see Microsoft. Now on the right-hand side, you should be able to find the high definition audio device. So just go and select whichever one's the latest version and then you can press Next. And you can go and install this onto your computer. Now once you've done this, you will need to restart your PC, and that's how to install the high definition audio device.